Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Jesmin's Lifestyle. রোজা আর একমাত্র 10 দিন রয়েছে, so আমরা আস্তে আস্তে prepare করলাম রোজা লাগিয়ে. So one of the things that we first do is make sure we clean our prayer mats or zain namaz. আমরা clean করিয়া wash করিয়া রাখি সবগুলো. So এটা খুব important. আমরা যতক্ষণ পারি আমরা চেষ্টা করতাম যেটা করি আমরা রোজা মাসও আমরা ইবাদত আর যতক্ষণ পারি আমরা এক্সট্রা করতাম. So what we try and do is try and prepare some of the things ahead of time, which will help us save time and make sure we have more time to do ibadat for this month. I also want to say a massive thank you to everyone who sent beautiful comments and support to Jesmin for her last video. It was a very emotional video for Jesmin to record, and the support she had received from that has been amazing, so thank you again. আজকে সুন্দর দিন আছেন, সো আমরা চান্স পাইছি যেন সব জায় নামাজ ওয়াশার ক্লিন করিয়া দিলাইলাম. What we really like about this washing machine is that it weighs the clothes before it times how long it's going to take, so it makes it more energy efficient and uses less water. So one of the ways that we save time during Roza is that we pre-prepare some of the ingredients that are used regularly during iftar, and one of those is obviously coriander. So what we will do is we would wash the coriander and dry them with a tissue in a colander, and then we leave it to dry as much as possible. We'll come back to this later on in the video. In part 2, Insha Allah, we will show you how Jesmin makes her amazing and delicious veggies, and also more life hacks to make Roza go as smoothly as possible. In the meantime, Jesmin gyar zoro namaz forat asin, so fakhomaz ami saman ailam amar lagi Jesmin lagi. I think one of the most important things about Roza is it gives us a rare opportunity to think about ourselves, our future and our families. It gives us a time to self-reflect and temporarily forget about the stresses that we have as we focus on our ibadah and our connection with Allah. To make the perfect tea, আমরা jogo sa গরম করি microwave, so ligar bala থেকে হইবা লাগি. And if you use a jug, it's less likely to make a mess in the microwave when it warms up. Obviously, if you're making it just for yourself, just আমরা একটা কাপও use করবো, but আমি Jesmin লাগি আর আমার লাগি সামানাইলাম, so jug use করলাম. One of the biggest things Ramadan teaches us is patience and gratitude. Sometimes it is easy to forget how blessed we are, alhamdulillah, and this is the month where we get to reflect on that and appreciate what we have in our lives. Although we should be reading the Quran throughout the whole year, Ramadan is a blessed month for us and helps us to reconnect with Islam. So the more time we can spend reciting the Quran during this month, the better. Jesmin likes to have khata toast with her tea, and today I decided to have some chocolate eclairs as I was feeling quite hungry. Jesmin namaz pora shesh hoye gesin, so ami taire kaf dia ar taire khata toast dilam, ami amar chocolate ke khailam. So the washing is now done. I'm going to take these out, put them in the laundry basket, and then take them outside to dry. Today is a beautiful sunny day, so it shouldn't take too long. And once that's done, I will go check on the coriander, which should be dried enough by now, and we can prepare that. We don't normally do this because we can get fresh coriander from the local shops. However, during Ramadan, this really helps to save a lot of time for ibadah, and is also useful for people who don't have shops nearby. Once you have finely chopped the coriander, you want to use separate bags for each portion. If you do this, you only need to take one bag out of the fridge each time, and this way you also won't have a massive lump of coriander that you then have to break up. We normally put in about 4 tablespoons in each bag, and then once you've done that, you want to take out as much air as possible before you close the bag. If you do it this way, you'll also notice when you're cooking, you still get that fresh coriander fragrance in your food. Because we use a lot of coriander, we're going to be doing a lot more of these bags, but for the purpose of this video, we only showed you a small amount. We're also going to use the same process for our chilies. This really helps to save a lot of time and when it comes to preparing food during Ramadan. We are going to put these into another bag. The reason we double bag the coriander is that it stops any icing happening on the coriander itself, and the leaves stay more fresh and green when you use them. So as I mentioned, inshallah next time we will show you more ways to save time during Ramadan, and also an amazing recipe for fiyaji that we always have during iftar. Thank you for watching. As always, please like, share and subscribe if you have not, and comment below, and inshallah we will see you next time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.